In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily block unknown callers on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off head over to settings and then scroll down until you find phone. Just get into it and then search for silence unknown callers. Just tap on it. All you have to do now in order to block unknown callers on your iPhone is just turn that switcher on. Once it is turned on, callers from unknown numbers will be silenced, set to voicemail, and displayed on the recents list. However, incoming calls will continue to ring from people in your contacts, recent outgoing calls, and Siri suggestions. That's how you can block unknown callers on your iPhone. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.